Once one of the followers of Buddha asked him, Buddha, what is the secret of success, particularly in meditation and also other areas of life? What is the one secret which you can give us, which can help us become successful in meditation and in other things also? Buddha said, I will answer your question soon. Few days went off, and after few days, Buddha was traveling along with his followers to a different place. While traveling, they were moving through a forest and they decided to take a rest for some time. They started taking rest, and after few hours, Buddha called that follower and said that go and bring the water to drink from the nearby river. That follower went when he found out that the river is drawn. There is no water in the river. He returned back and said that Buddha, there is no water in the river. Buddha said, go and dig the sand, you may get the water. The follower went there and he started digging the sand of the river. He tried at one place, he didn't find the water. Then he tried at second place, he didn't find the water. He was thinking that Buddha has said that water will be there, it should be there, but there is no water. In this way, he was thinking and trying at different places, sometimes there, sometimes there. He was trying, and he was not able to get the water. Few hours went by. Buddha said to other follower that where is he? He has gone for to bring the water, but he has not returned since then. So they decided to go and see what he is doing. When they went there, they saw that there are hundreds of ditch there. He is digging at different places, and when he is not finding the water, he is going to a different place. Buddha called him and told that choose any one of the dig, ditch and start digging in that. Then that follower did the same. He started digging at the single place, and after 20 to 30 minutes, he found the water. Buddha said that this is the answer to your question few days back you had asked that what is the secret of success? The secret of success is doing the same thing again and again. So if you want to be successful in meditation, do the same meditation again and again. Multiple times you have to do it. In the similar way, in the life, if you want to be successful at anything, choose one thing and do it again and again, and sooner or later you will definitely become successful. But if you keep on trying different things, doing different things, it will never be successful. You will never get the results, and that is the secret of success, not only in meditation but in all areas of your life. That follower became very happy and he got the lesson, a new lesson for his life, and he became very successful in the meditation, and he become very famous because he followed that path and he forwarded that path to other people also. In the same way, in your life, whenever you want to be successful, you should choose one thing and do it again and again unless you become successful. There is no time, but you have to do it again and again unless and until you become successful in it. You will be successful for sure. If you do one thing and keep on doing the one thing and becoming better and better while doing it, going deeper and deeper.